to my YouTube channel. Today I came up with a very good freshers job opportunity from Glowtouch company. Guys, Glowtouch company offering us a technical support, non-voice email chats. This is a job designation. First I am going to talk about the eligibility criteria for this job, skill requirement and the job designation. The job designation is technical support, non-voice email through email or chat. And the position is technical support non-voice, and you will be working as a job designation is technical trainee or junior administrator. The location you are going to work in Bangalore, India, and it is in Karnataka. Whereas the number of positions is 50. Guys, as soon as if you guys this 50 speaks a lot. If you apply for a very first person, they are going to make a priority for you for the first time. If you're after 15 members, then your application may reject, or they won't consider it for this application. Guys, this is all about this company, and they should have responsibility. It is like troubleshoot a variety of technical and non-technical issues that customer experience with their web hosting plans and service. And you should be able to provide technical support for level 1 escalation issues via help desk. And you should be able to multitask and meet specified goals set by supervisors and managers. And if you are diploma, you can easily apply. Graduate person also can apply, or more than higher education people also can apply. Like if you are freshers having of 0 to 2 years experience, that's okay, you can easily apply for this job. There is no restriction of experience like 3 to 10 years of experience. It is not like that. And skill you must have like this is, you must have capability of web hosting knowledge with an added advantage. And you must have willing to work in rotational shifts. Guys, they're going to keep it as a shift for you, like morning, evening and the night time. They're not going to make a continuous. Each time you will be having one time so that you can work with easily. And you should have strong in logical reasoning for the further events, and you should be flexible in work in rotational events, and typing skill with 30 words per minute, and excellent in English communication, verbal and written. Guys, you must be able to excellent in English communication, so that you whatever you write in email as chats, it will be in a English language, no other native language so that supports you. And you should be handle 3 chats at a time. Like they're going to have some bunch of chats, you must be able to at least 3 chats at a time, so that your work can be proper. And if you write for this job, just click on apply button, so that this link will be redirected to another page. You can apply over here. The link will be provided in the description below. Guys, you need to apply you just like apply job. Have you applied for a job earlier? If you applied job earlier, just keep yes or else no. I'm going to go with a no, and fill up with your information like personal information like first name, last name, email ID. You have to create one password and login ID, and you should be type your permanent address and date of birth. If you do have work experience, keep fill it, your qualification, and if you have experience, keep fill it, guys. And the skill requirement, what do you have, and the other information. Guys, after doing this, you just go here and click on upload resume. Wherever your resume holds here, just click on that, it will directly upload it. And you just need to direct click on this, you're not a robot, and save details. After doing this many steps, you will be submitted. At the end time, if your profile matches with HR requirements, I'm going to make a call to you for further events. Thank you guys. Do share, subscribe for this video.